The National Reintegration Program stands as a commitment to every overseas Filipino worker, ensuring that OFWs are equipped not only to work overseas, but to prepare early for life beyond migration. Anchored on the pillars of kaalaman, kabuhayan, and kalinga, reintegration transforms return into renewal, strengthening skills, expanding livelihood pathways, creating opportunities for growth, and upholding the dignity of every Filipino migrant worker. At the forefront of this journey is Kabuhayan. Over the past years, thousands of OFWs have been assisted through various NRCO livelihood programs. In 2025, this commitment grew stronger, reaching a milestone in the livelihood program for OFW reintegration, including the Balik Pinay, Balik Hanap Buhay, DMW's Livelihood Assistance Program for Women OFWs. At the Department of Migrant Workers, reintegration is not just about the big numbers. Behind every livelihood grant is a story. This year marked the expansion of opportunities through the Buy Local, Buy OFWs program, a multi-sectoral partnership opening new markets for OFW-owned micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises, celebrating Filipino craftsmanship, innovation, and resilience. When we choose to buy local by OFW, we support more than just the products. We support the enterprise dreams of every OFW. OFW entrepreneurs were also recognized on the national and international stage, including the 2025 Go Negosyo Balikbayan Awards. Their success proves that reintegration is not the end of the OFW journey. It is the next chapter. This year, NRCO launched Likha, Dalinangin ang Kakayahan sa Kabuhayan Award. From Likhang Kababaihan to Likhang Marino, and now Likha Global. We honor the creativity, hard work, and entrepreneurial excellence of our OFWs.
Malaki talagang tulong, lalong-lalo na sa mga anak ko. Nabigay ko yung gusto nila, na hindi ko nabigay noon. So ngayon, parang especially yung oras, yung time na hindi ko bigay dati sa kanila. So ngayon, nabigay ko na sa kanila. Naka-attend ako ng mga activities. Parang na unti-unti na naibabalik yung loob sa akin ng mga anak ko.
Malaking tulong ang naibigay sa akin ng DMW National Reintegration Program dahil unang-una, ako ay hindi na muling makakabalik pa ng ibang bansa at ako ay na-surgery. Then, ang laking tulong ng binigay nilang kapital sa pag-uumpisa ng aking negosyo dahil hindi ko na kailangan pang umalis ng bansa para lang maibigay ang magandang buhay sa aking pamilya dahil ako na mismo at sa sarili kong negosyo ay magiging successful.
But reintegration stories are not just about the winners on stage. It is about every OFW who dared to start, however small, who failed, paused, and tried again. About every OFW whose quiet victory deserves to be celebrated.
So yung 100,000 pesos na financial grant from the Department of Migrant Workers, ginamit ko po ito for the innovation of my products sa existing business which is UF Vanilla Farm. And mas na-develop po yung mga products na meron tayo. So nakapag-upgrade po tayo ng packaging and na-help po ni DMW yung network po natin na mas mapalago po.
Pinakamakabuluhan po ay yung mga natutunan namin doon sa national competition, yung mga inaral namin doon, lalong-lalo yung sa entrepreneurship, yung parang basic bookkeeping na ano ko po yun, natutunan ko po. At mas lalo ko pong magiging guide ito sa pagtatayo namin ng negosyo. So marami po ako natutunan doon. Maraming salamat po.
Lubos po ako nagpapasalamat sa mga kaalaman na bahagi sa mentorship At sa pagkakataong maipakita ang kakayahan ko bilang isang OFW na may pangarap sa negosyo. Dahil may gobyerno talaga na maaasahan.
At the National Reintegration Center for OFWs, we will continue to share these stories together, every step, walking alongside every returning migrant worker on their journey back home. Malayo pa, ngunit malayo na.